You trying to help Daddy put it on the hook? Or on the tongs?
Yeah.
Put it on the ground for Daddy. Put it on the... Thank you. Okay, you ready? Give it to the lizard. Put it in there.
Me?
Yeah, give him the lizard. Put it in there, buddy. No, you gotta go up there. Go give it to him. Go give it to him. Put it in there. Good job. Hey, he's got our tongs.
Yeah.
Yep, good job.
Good.
Again?
Me?
Please? Okay. We gotta wait for him to eat it first. Bring me a rat. Grab a rat and bring it over here.
White.
Another white one? Good job.
White.
Put it on the ground. Let me help you. Okay, go give it to him. Go give it to him. Go put it in there, buddy. Yeah, go. You gotta go put it in there. Give it to him. Good job, kid.
Good. Good.
You gonna bring Daddy another one?
White.
You gonna get another white one? Ooh, is that white? Come here.
You.
Yeah, Deuce has got a big one. We're gonna give it to the Aussie. Wait. Easy. You gotta get. There we go. Oh, move your hands. You gotta move your hands. Yeah, you got pinched. Okay, go give it to him. Oops, dropped it. Let me see. Let go.
Uh-oh.
Wait. Hey, wait. Oh, you gotta let me move my... Okay, go give it to him. Hold it like this. Let go. Hold it like that. Okay, go give it to him. Go give it to him. Put it in there.
No, like.
Well, you gotta put it in there for him. Like this. Good job.
Yeah.